OnePlus has launched its new Nord series phone in India called OnePlus Nord 6. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord 6 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 165 Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it is protected by Crystal Guard glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 825 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus Nord 6 sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's lite 700 CMOS sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and it can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 9,000 mAh battery with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Oxygen OS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.5 by 77.5 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 217 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord 6 has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 38,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 41,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in fresh mint, pitch black, and quick silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord 6 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.